A Tesla Cybertruck was seen being driven through muddy terrain, mimicking a car wash, which aligns with Cybertruck's rugged capabilities. The Cybertruck is in a rugged, off-road environment with dirt trails, muddy patches, and a backdrop of hills and sparse trees, typical of off-road trails. The application process of the Coloradan natural clay wrap is tricky. It requires several rounds of dips and mudslinging. Donuts can be added for additional stone-thrown layers on the wrap. This wrap was meticulously applied with several perfectly executed mud puddle slides, assisted by Cybertruck's Baja mode, deep in the wilderness. This thick coating protects and enhances the ruggedness of the truck. This is a great way to blend with the mountain terrain.